Meteorologist Chester Lampkin, let's get you out the door here with the latest Weather Watch forecast. Looking good weather-wise. Look at the sky we have this morning. Beautiful sunrise. This was taken just before sunrise, actually, here at 7:30 this morning. You can see we did have some cloud around, and we expect some scattered cloud from time to time for the morning to midday hours. But once we roll up in through the afternoon, it's all sunshine across the area. Temperatures jumping up into the 50s and 60s after the cool morning start. And it's a little bit cooler this afternoon, but I don't think you're really going to notice because we're going to have more sunshine than yesterday afternoon, light breezes, and high temperatures upper 60s to almost 70 degrees. I think we'll settle in around 69, but your car thermometer, backyard thermometer may read 70. If you have plans to be outside, walks, runs, and jogs, all good for that. If you have to work outdoors today, fantastic weather for that. And out later this evening, we stay in the 60s through 7 o'clock, which is now about 30 minutes after sunset, and it should be a nice evening ahead. There are a couple things I'm watching heading in through tomorrow and the weekend. We could see a couple of showers. So let's begin with a look at our future radar. This is our futurecast based on the high resolution modeling from the National Weather Service. And you can see we do have that scattered cloud here for the morning to midday hours. So watch for a few clouds, but outside of that, no really impactful weather for today. Temperatures low 60s at lunchtime if you have outside lunch plans. It's good. You can find a patio or even sit in the shade and you'll be comfortable either way. Just grab a light jacket for the morning hours. You won't need it this afternoon because we've got those 60s to nearly 70-degree temperatures across the area. That means the kids will come home to some beautiful weather, and we're quite nice through the evening. Now, tomorrow morning, moisture will be on the increase, so it does look like we'll have some fog across the area, and the modeling sort of picks up on that. It shows it as low cloudiness, but I was checking out some of the latest humidity profiles, basically what the humidity levels will be here at the surface and then upwards in the atmosphere. And with humidity near 100% by 5 in the morning, I do expect some locally dense fog across the metro, over to Baltimore, south through southern Maryland, and even as far south as Fredericksburg, and maybe as far west as, say, Purcellville and perhaps Warrenton. So we'll be watching this area for fog development in the morning. Some of it could be dense at times, and it may linger as late as 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. By midday, we're just left with some scattered clouds here across the area. Temperatures will actually end up warmer tomorrow with some sunshine in the afternoon, but still quite a bit of clouds. We'll go partly, maybe at times mostly cloudy with highs in the 70s on Friday afternoon. Weekend, we're going to be battling the clouds off and on through the weekend, and with the moisture around, there could be some drizzle, maybe some fog again, especially Saturday morning. Warm Saturday afternoon, though, with temperatures jumping up into the mid, maybe upper 70s. And then Saturday night, a front approaches from the north and west. Some of that moisture from the front, or at least some of the activated moisture in our area, will lift up along the front. And as it moves south and east, this frontal boundary, that'll produce a couple showers in here, perhaps Saturday night, with a slight chance of a shower on Sunday morning. So you may wake up to showers or maybe even some drizzle on Sunday morning as well. Sunday afternoon, it does look like a dry afternoon. So your outside plans are still fine this weekend if you have outside plans. You just got to realize that you may be dodging a couple showers early for Sunday. Rolling into Monday, front comes through finally, but we'll still be warm before the front hits. We'll still see 70s across the area, and then that cool down rolls in heading into Tuesday. Temperatures drop off. Highs only in the low to mid 60s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a plot of the rain for the next 7 days. This is not a lot. Most of us will end up with a tenth, maybe a quarter inch in total. This is driven by the European forecast model. So, you know, the idea is that in general, it's not a lot of rain over the next 7 days. Again, with our best chances coming on Sunday and perhaps a few shower chances heading into next week, Tuesday, Wednesday as well. But even that doesn't look terribly heavy or widespread. No big rains, no big severe weather chances across the area. Joggers and runners and even bicyclists, you've got some pretty good weather to get out and exercise next few days. Mornings will be a little bit more humid, actually, and you may notice that, again, with the fog around Friday morning and drizzle and fog possible Saturday morning. Gardening, yeah, still good. A lot of us still in the growing season, at the end of the growing season, but we can still get out there and do some yard and gardening work. A lot of us cleaning up leaves through the weekend. That's going to be the big deal, or maybe putting up some holiday decorations. This afternoon, mostly sunny skies, highs in the 60s to around 70. Again, watch for the fog on Friday morning. Otherwise, nice day, and the weekend looks okay. Some drizzle or maybe some fog Saturday and a few showers Sunday morning. Look at those warm temps. We stay warm through Monday, then the cool down Tuesday, Wednesday.